Who said a pizza tray is only for pizza? Hey, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll make a wall clock using wooden pizza tray. So tell me what you think about it and subscribe for more. Enjoy!
Endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. We watch the sky fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two, somewhere new. Somewhere new. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
You don't know how much you mean to me, baby. I can't put it in words. You don't know how much you give to me, baby. You keep making me learn, yeah. You're like a painting hanging on my every wall. Baby, you save me, you give me all and a little more. I can't live without you, yeah. I can't, no I can't live without you, oh. I was roaming through the dark, baby. Ooh, you keep making it shine.